Okay, so Tesla came out with another update for my Model Y. This is a 2022 Model Y. You can see 2022.12.3.3. All right, you push that and then it goes to this uploading thing, and then the software update will begin. Takes about 25 minutes according to them. I didn't really time it, but it does that. All right, so here you can see it says that the update is going to start in about 2 minutes. So we'll wait for that to finish the timer and we'll be back. All right, so here you can see, why is it so glary? It's updating. Update starting. Do not drive until complete. Okay, so we'll let this finish. Let me actually turn these lights off and see if that helps. Oh yeah, that helps. Okay, so we'll wait for this to finish and we'll see what happens. Alright, see you guys when it's almost done. Okay, as you can see, the bar moved a little bit. It's so glary, man, in the camera. It's not like that in actual real life, obviously. But, yep. Alright, so we'll wait a bit longer. Where's that light coming from? My phone? It has an infrared light. Oh, the infrared light in the car is off. Alright, so I'll see you guys when it's done more. Alright, you can see the update is moving. Also, the car makes weird noises. Like, it's very faint, but it sounds like someone's jackhammering from far away. I hear like random like noises. Can you hear it? At least I think that's the car. And I'm seeing random light flashes, so I think the headlights randomly flash sometimes. Either that or the lights are coming from the neighbors, I don't know. But right now I hear sounds that sound like helicopter. Can I open the windows? Oh, you can. So you can open the windows and stuff while the update's still going. Alright, I'm pretty sure I can get out of the car as well. Okay. I don't know what that... Oh yeah, do you hear that sound? So it's like moving valves and doors and stuff like that. But, yeah, I hear some noises like helicopters or jackhammering going on in the distance. But yeah, anyways, we'll continue to wait until this is done. And I'll see you guys when it moves a little bit more or if anything else happens. Maybe I'll leave it on a little to see if there's any noises. I hear things churning. You hear that? You hear that? Noises are happening. Things are winding up. Maybe I should just record the whole time. But this is a long update process. You hear it? Oh, I see. That's the neighbor's light over there. Keeps flashing its lights. I guess their Tesla's detecting some movement over there. But I'm pretty sure I saw this car flash the lights at least once during this update. Okay, if I move it close enough, then it's clear. Okay, maybe I'll hold it straight forward like this for a thumbnail. Electronic control units are being updated. Driving and charging is disabled. Do not drive until complete. Okay, so we'll let it keep doing its thing and we'll be back. And of course I missed the sound right when I stopped recording. It made like a sound, kind of like a piece of metal dropping or something, like a metal trash can or something. I don't know, when you close a dumpster lid, but from far away because it's quiet. I mean, it's not super loud. I guess I'll just keep recording and see if you guys hear more weird noises. Okay. I mean, I don't think anyone's gonna watch this full video, so maybe I shouldn't. Oh, there you go. The lights randomly turned on. See that? Alright. I'm not sure why it has to like turn on all the lights and stuff while it's updating. Like, I don't know if it's testing the systems to make sure everything's working okay. The camera light is still off. Okay, may hear more fans going, maybe cooling the computers and the batteries and things like that. There's a little bug flying in the light. Where'd it go? Oh, it's gone. Okay, it's still doing its thing. I don't know what that light, I don't know what that infrared light is that it's seeing. Is that from my camera? Oh, it is from my phone. Interesting. So the phone actually has a... Oh yeah. If I cover it, that light goes away. So the phone actually has an infrared light. And that's why it does that glary stuff. It's using like... Actually, I don't know. It doesn't provide infrared light for night vision or anything. Do you hear those sounds? So it's still making some weird noises. The light's turned off if you didn't notice. Here's some whirring going again. Oh, this update takes quite a while. Yeah, so that's one thing. Don't start an update right before you go to work or wherever you have to go, because you never know how long the update is going to take. And if you're stuck somewhere, you don't want to start the update. Wait to do the updates till you're at home or somewhere that you plan to be for a while. So that way, if anything goes wrong, you're not going to be stranded. I haven't heard of any issues where somebody had their update brick their car, but there's always a chance. So yeah, I would say keep that in mind, and only update when you're somewhere that you wouldn't mind being stuck for a little while if something did happen. Okay. A car just drove by. If you heard that, I don't know if the microphone picks all that up. There you go. That was the sound I was talking about. Sounds like dumpster lid or something closing. And the headlights just flashed a little bit, but didn't stay on. Yeah, so, oh, more noises, more whirring sounds. It's this little bubble showing on my phone screen. Focus enhancer on. Huh, that makes it really grainy. I don't want that. Turn that off. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know how much longer for this update. It's already been going for quite some time. Guess I'll stop the video now because you already heard all the other weird sounds. And yeah, I'll see you guys when it does something else. Alright, so it says software updating, finishing updates, driving disabled, do not drive until complete. It doesn't say anything about charging anymore. Right, before it said not to charge either, so I don't know if you could actually charge your car now, but I would just wait till the update's complete. Alright, and yeah, I'll see you guys when it does something else. Alright, rebooting, driving disabled, do not drive until complete. So let's see how long it takes to reboot. Oh, screen's completely off. Okay, so the car should be starting up soon. And we'll see if there's anything new with this update. How long is this update process going to take? Whoa. Okay, got the giant Tesla logo. Takes a while to reboot. Oh, you can see I can put pressure on the screen and it was making like green marks. Interesting. How come it does that only when I use my whole palm? Okay, it turned off. Again. Interesting. Wait, is it Is it off or the car just... Okay, no, it is restarting again. I thought it was maybe it's in park mode and thinks it should turn off. Okay, it's off again. It's rebooting itself multiple times. Okay, right now it doesn't look like it in my camera, but it was really dim, or the screen is a lot more dim. Oh, there we go. All right, car's back on. It's starting up the Sentry mode. There's an X over it. Why isn't it? There you go. There's an X over the icon. All right, and here we go. I think it's going to be all the same stuff. Additional bottom bar. Yep, that's all the same. Nothing new. You can add the defrost, whatever, child lock. Nothing new from the last update. Mobile app control, same thing. Nothing new from the previous update. And the language, nothing new from the previous update. So, nothing new that I saw. I don't know why this thing is still messed up. Is the USB drive broken or something? I don't know. I'm gonna plug my USB thing back in, but hold on, I'll be back. Okay, so I took the USB out and put it back, and now it's fine. I'm gonna put my other USB back because I noticed that little flash drive always has problems with that. But yeah, if we go to software now, you can see, okay, version 11, 2022.12.3.3, and yeah, so I don't know what they did, maybe just some minor bug fixes. Here's one thing that I noticed that I didn't notice before. Why was I hearing some knocking sounds? Okay. Anyways, so let's see if I can do it. So if I put it in auto, then I have this thing here. If I push that, oh, it works. Okay, so you can see if you tap that, it brings up the light settings there. Yeah, so that was a new thing that I saw that they didn't have before. And then the only thing is if you turn the auto off, now you don't have that button there anymore. Like the button's gone, so then you can't turn it on. I have to pull the height beams again to bring that up, and then you can change the stuff. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.